BJP CM in Delhi?
That's something which is very, very difficult to answer because, all the past states that we have seen, that all the expected names, the incumbent chief ministers, the so-called faces of the party, the prominent names of the party, none of them had made it. But in these elections, I can see that many people who have been, experienced functionaries of the party, they have won the election, some have lost. Like Ramesh Vidhuri has lost the election by a very small margin, but he has lost. He cannot be in the reckoning. Dushyant Gautam has lost. So I can tell you two names which were in the race have been stand eliminated, Dushyant Gautam and Ramesh Vidhuri. But there are others who have won, and there are people who have won for third term, fourth term. But it's very, very difficult to say at this point of time. The natural choice everybody is saying is Pravesh Verma.
So we in fact, amongst the very few networks that managed an exclusive with Pravesh Verma from here in the studio. So let's listen to the man who at this moment is the odds-on favorite. Remember, the BJP is perfectly capable of pulling out a Bharjan Lal Sharma, so it cannot be denied that there can be a dark horse. But he's beaten the mighty Arvind Kejriwal in his bastion in New Delhi, and by popular choice amongst BJP Karyakartas in the capital, Pravesh Verma is the front runner. Here he is. While we wait for Prime Minister Modi to reach the BJP headquarters, the front runner in the race to be the BJP CM in Delhi speaking to India Today. Man of the moment, the man who scripted electoral history for the Bharatiya Janata Party, the man who's being celebrated all the way from Kashmir to Kanyakumari amongst the BJP cadre, Pravesh Verma, the giant slayer, now joins us live. Pravesh bhai, from a BJP lens, आपने तो कमाल कर दिया.
सर, मैंने कमाल नहीं किया. ये तो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का कमाल है कि दिल्ली वालों ने उनके ऊपर विश्वास जताया है. जो उन्होंने देश में काम किए, दिल्ली में काम किए, ये कमाल है हमारे पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आदरणीय जेपी नड्डा जी का. ये कमाल है हमारे गृह मंत्री आदरणीय श्री अमित शाह जी का, जिन्होंने दिल्ली में सारे चुनाव की कमान अपने हाथ में ली है. ये कमाल है दिल्ली के पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं का, जिन्होंने जी जान मेहनत करी है. और ये कमाल है दिल्ली वासियों का, जिन्होंने एक अच्छी सरकार बनाई है.
कई सारे लोगों को लगता है कि तुक्का है, आपने ऐसे ही हरा दिया. उनको मालूम नहीं कि पिछले एक महीने में आपने कितना काम किया नई दिल्ली में. तो थोड़ा बिहाइंड द सीन्स, पर्दे के पीछे की कहानी बताएं कि आपको कब बताया गया गृह मंत्री द्वारा कि दिल्ली जाना है, आपका शुरू में क्या रिएक्शन था, कैसे आपने जमीन तैयार की जो कि आज लोगों को वो इमारत दिखाई दे रही है.
देखिए, अभी मैं आपको 2 मिनट में तो सारी राम कथा नहीं बता सकता हूं, मगर आपके साथ में कभी बैठूंगा आपके चैनल पे, फिर आपको विस्तार से बताऊंगा. मगर पार्टी ने मेरे को 2 महीना पहले बता दिया था कि आपको लड़ना है नई दिल्ली, और मैंने काफ़ी तैयारी करी और यहाँ के कार्यकर्ताओं ने काफ़ी जो है मेहनत करी. और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का जो यहाँ के लोगों ने उनके ऊपर विश्वास जताया, ये सबसे बड़ी बात थी.
कई सारे बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ता सोचते हैं कि केजरीवाल को हराने के बाद अगले मुख्यमंत्री के लिए सबसे प्रबल दावेदारी आपकी है. मन में थोड़े थोड़े लड्डू, थोड़ी अनिश्चितता कि बना भी सकते हैं, काट भी सकते हैं, क्या होगा, क्या आपके दिलो दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है?
देखिए राहुल जी, मैं ऐसा व्यक्ति हूँ, मैं बड़ा जो अपना स्पिरिचुअल आदमी हूँ. तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी होती है तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश नहीं होता, बहुत ज़्यादा दुख होता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी नहीं होता. तो जो भी पार्टी का विधायक दल तय करेगा, जो पार्टी की लीडरशिप तय करेगी, वो सभी को मंजूर होगा.
My colleague Gaurav has a question for you. Gaurav, हम लोगों ने आपके पिताजी का भी चुनाव कवर किया था, साहिब सिंह वर्मा जी का दिल्ली में, उनकी नीति. Okay, we're seeing live images here of the Prime Minister's convoy reaching the BJP headquarters. The lights in the car are on, the arc light very firmly on the Prime Minister, as it should be. This really was pitched by the BJP as a Modi versus Kejriwal battle. And in that battle, Prime Minister Modi and the Bharatiya Janata Party have come out on top, 48 versus 22. How the mighty have fallen. JP Nadda there, receiving the Prime Minister in his capacity as the BJP President, arguably for the last time after a big election victory. Soon the party will have a new president. And what a comeback this has been after the Lok Sabha elections. There were pundits who were writing the political obituary of the Prime Minister after the 4th of June, suggesting that his term and his innings was ending. Modi means business. They won in Haryana, then in Maharashtra, and now this remarkable comeback in Delhi after 27 years. Confetti, the Prime Minister being garlanded, a massive victory for the BJP and for the Prime Minister, under whose leadership the BJP ends up at 48 seats, reducing the Aam Aadmi Party to just 22. He'll be off first to Paris and then to Washington DC to meet with Emmanuel Macron, to meet with Donald Trump. And before that, this big celebration will put a spring in his feet, and that of the BJP Karyakartas, who are delighted. They've danced at the wedding, at the winning celebrations, the after parties being held for victories in other states and in the general elections. Whether it was a Maharashtra, whether it was a Haryana or the Lok Sabha elections, they haven't had an opportunity to dance for a victory of the Delhi BJP unit. That has been a long time coming. 27 years later, the BJP celebrating this big victory in the national capital. You can see delight and enthusiasm in the crowds that have gathered there. They've been building up since 2 p.m. The Prime Minister very naturally quite happy. And so are the BJP Karyakartas and workers. Kejriwal made it nasty, he made it personal. He took them on in a way that very few opposition parties do. And that's something that the BJP isn't quite used to, particularly not from the Congress. He put up a tough fight. 44% vote share for the Aam Aadmi Party shows their vote share cracked but did not crumble. The BJP was able to bolster its vote share by 10% from the 39% they had last time, almost 10% more than the last elections. Prime Minister Modi celebrating, waving out to the BJP workers and leaders who've gathered there for this big after party. Let's listen in to the ambience from the BJP headquarters in the national capital.
आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का स्वागत करना है। भारत माता की, मेरे साथ नारा लगाना है, श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जिंदाबाद, श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जिंदाबाद, श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद, मोदी 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 जी को जय श्री राम, श्री मोदी जी को जय श्री राम, श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जिंदाबाद, श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जिंदाबाद, मोदी 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 मोदी। चलिए दोनों हाथ उठा के, जैसे पहले कहा था, पूरा हाथ उठाना है, मुट्ठी बांधनी है सबके। बहन जी हाथ उठाइए, मुट्ठी बांधिए, बोलिए भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की। दोस्तों, कुछ ही क्षणों में आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी हमारे बीच होंगे। हमारे माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी, माननीय गृह मंत्री जी आपको लेकर हमारे बीच में आ गए हैं। जोरदार करतल ध्वनि से आप सबने उनका अभिनंदन करना है। बदल दिया है दिल्ली दिल से, बदल दिया है दिल्ली दिल से, बदल दिया है दिल्ली दिल से। दिल्ली को खुशहाल करेंगे, दिल्ली को खुशहाल करेंगे।
To Yogendar Yadav, political analyst, politician, representing opposition causes, joining us on this broadcast. Mr. Yadav, welcome. You know, you've been a part of the Aam Aadmi Party. You study national politics very closely. Why do you think Arvind Kejriwal got defeated in New Delhi, and why did the Aam Aadmi Party lose the Delhi state election so badly?
Rahul, the actual defeat is much smaller than it looks. While on the figures of seats, we can see 22-48. But as you yourself mentioned a few minutes ago, in terms of